Let's make a very simple avocado pancake for breakfast that does not go bad. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bose and this is Bose's Home Kitchen. I'm going to be cutting one avocado for this pancake. If you can get a very soft avocado, in fact, that's the best avocado you can use for this pancake. I had to blend mine because it's not really that soft before I can get it very soft. I added one egg. I'm going to list down the ingredients in the description box. So if you're interested, feel free to check that. I will add some milk. I'm using coconut milk for it. Anything coconut, count me in. I love it. And then I'm going to sieve 1 cup of flour. I'm going to add some pepper. I love pepper in my avocado pancake. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. I will add baking powder to it, and then I will give that a good mix until there are no lumps, and then I am good to go. Thank you so much for always coming back to watch my video. See, I did not take your love for granted. Everyone that kept watching my video. In fact, if you are watching this one again, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much, and I love you so much. So I will heat up the pan, add coconut oil. I'm using coconut oil. You can use any oil of choice. I will add it in, and then I am good to go. See, it does not even take time. See, breakfast or lunch or dinner, it doesn't have to be boring, honestly. Just think, and then you are good to go. I don't joke with leftover. Whenever it's leftover, I just keep it. Whenever I need it, I know what to do immediately. So this avocado has been sitting pretty in my hands, and I'm like, what am I going to use it for? Then I thought of avocado pancake again, and then I will go again. Do the same thing again for another batches, and voila, we are good to go. Very easy, simple breakfast, and also healthy that you can make at the very comfort of your home, very comforting, and you will love it and you will enjoy it. My husband loves it so much. I didn't even think he would, like, when he tasted it, like he was like, girl, you have to make this again. So I use you can use any topping of choice. I use some cream, you can use honey, anything you want. You can use any fruit. I use strawberry, you can use berry or any fruit or any topping of choice, and it came out really good. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon in my next video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.